Ellie, Daddy wants to go get lunch. Daddy wants to go get lunch. Mama knows all the good places to eat, so I'll let her pick. Anyways, I'm sure we'll make a video of that. Delicious.
So good. It really is really good.
That's not just for the video.
It's really good.
What's up, guys? We just had lunch at the new Korean steakhouse here in Waterside Place, Lakewood Ranch, named Korea. We had the chicken, shrimp, and duck combo. It was delicious. If you are a fan of Korean food, you need to come and check this place out ASAP. Now we're gonna go get some ice cream over at Kilwin's and eat that by the water. Fun stuff. Just finished up at Waterside Place in Lakewood Ranch. We got lunch and we got dessert. If you haven't been there yet, there's a lot of great restaurants to experience. Definitely check it out. We also brought the drone with us today, so I was able to take that up for a quick flight there over the Waterside Place Village. And enjoy. My endings need to be better.
Yeah, they're awful.
My endings are awful. They are awful.
They always go,
thanks for watching.
Yeah, enjoy.
Come and see us again.
Yeah, fucking subscribe.
Slap that subscribe button and subscribe.
Just slap the subscribe button.
Yeah.
You finish it like that. Like, just tell them to subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. That's what we need. Oh my God, my girl is driving in.
We almost died.
I should probably get over here. But, all right, one more time. We just finished up at Waterside Place in Lakewood Ranch. We got lunch and we got dessert. But anyways, if you haven't experienced the restaurants out there yet, you need to check out Lakeside Place in Lakewood Ranch. It's delicious.
It's Waterside Place, you jackass. What are you talking about? What is Lakeside Place in Lakewood Ranch?
Let me tell you, I'll explain that it is, in fact, a lake that's next to it, so technically it's Lakeside. Yeah, but anyways, Waterside Place in Lakewood Ranch. You need to check it out if you haven't checked it out yet.
Yeah,
I'm horrible at this.
Yeah, I know.
Vlogging might not be for me.
It might not.
All right, one more time. So we just finished up at Waterside Place in Lakewood Ranch. We got lunch and we got dessert, and I also brought secondary dessert. Yes, I did have my drone with me, so I got it up in the air, flew it over the community a little bit. I will attach that footage to the video if you haven't seen it already. I don't know how I'm going to edit it. But anyways, thank you for watching. If I haven't said it already, I probably did because I'm horrible at vlogging. But anyways, tune in next time.